Today, we're taking a closer look at two products from Keurig, the 3-month brewer maintenance kit and the travel mug. Let's start with the maintenance kit. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to keep your Keurig coffee maker running smoothly. With 4 rinse pods, a kale solution, and 2 water filter cartridge refills, it's a comprehensive solution for maintaining your machine. The rinse pods are particularly handy for reducing flavor carryover between brews, ensuring each cup tastes fresh. Plus, they're incredibly easy to use. Just pop them in like a regular K-cup pod and let them work their magic. And with the included decale solution and water filter cartridge refills, you can rest assured that your coffee maker is receiving the care it deserves. Now, let's talk about the travel mug. With a 12-ounce capacity, it's the perfect companion for your Keurig coffee maker. The stainless steel outer wall provides durability and insulation, while the plastic inner wall keeps your beverage at the perfect temperature. The airtight, flip-top lid is not only convenient but also ensures that your drink stays secure while you're on the go. And when it comes time to clean up, the dishwasher-safe lid makes maintenance a breeze. Just be sure to hand wash the body to preserve its quality. Overall, both products offer convenience and quality that align with the Keurig brand. Whether you're looking to keep your coffee maker in top condition or enjoy your favorite brew on the move, these products have you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.